Yeah, all right. Let's make use of our leftovers. Ito, leftover rice ko. We have kimchi, chopped leek stems, and then ito optional to, hibe. Okay? That is dried shrimp. Okay? Pwedeng wala na yan. Then you need garlic, onion, and ginger, chopped. Panggisa. Okay? You need sesame oil. Aside from the cooking oil, you need sesame oil to give it good flavor, and you need some very good soy sauce. Okay? Then there's salt, pepper, and fish sauce. The Koreans, they also use fish sauce. Okay? Gawin na natin to. Let's do it now. Get our wok nice and hot. Do this kimchi rice really fast. Okay, so we got our hot oil. So here's our garlic, ginger, and onion. And we're not gonna brown this. So, okay, we put our rice and our kimchi. Sama na natin yung hibe. Okay? You can put that oil. Sure, you take out all the lumps. And let's put our soy sauce. And then we put our sesame oil to flavor. You can hear the rice sizzle. Then we put our fish sauce, salt and pepper. There you go. Very hot yung pan natin, so it's a little toasty in flavor. Get it nice and toasted. And all you have to do is serve this with a fried egg. And you've got a complete meal. Kimchi fried rice. Alright, here you go.